Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest way and a simple guide for you to be able to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Chase is to open the Robinhood app and log in into your account using your account credentials. Then step 2, you have to tap the account icon and go to crypto. Then from there, select your cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then tap send. Then enter the amount of crypto you want to send, then open the Coinbase app and go to receive. Then copy your wallet address for that same cryptocurrency. I repeat, for that same cryptocurrency to avoid any loss of fund. Then after that, go back to Robinhood, paste the Coinbase wallet address and confirm. So the next step, complete the two-factor verification if asked. If not, proceed. Wait for the transfer to finish. It may take few minutes or hour, depending on the network carrier, and that's it. So once confirmed, your crypto will now appear in your Coinbase wallet. And that's how you can easily transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.